In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix broken links in Shopify, guiding you step by step through the process and ensuring your online store runs smoothly. When links in your Shopify store break, it can be frustrating for your customers and detrimental to your business. Let's make sure your navigation is spot on. First, open your web browser and head over to the Shopify admin panel. This is where you manage your store. You'll want to log in with your credentials if you aren't already. Now, from your main dashboard, you'll see various options to manage different parts of your store, but for fixing broken links, focus on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on Content to begin. This is crucial because content contains all the elements related to what your customers interact with, including menus, pages, and more. By examining the content area, you can efficiently manage these components, navigate to the relevant sections, and begin troubleshooting any link issues you might have. Now, within the content section, navigate to menus. Menus are integral to your store as they guide your users through your site. Selecting this will bring up a list of menus currently set up for your store. These include items like navigation menus, headers, and footers, essentially any organized list of links your visitors use to move around your store. Next, find and click on Main Menu. The main menu usually includes the most crucial links you want your customers to access, such as Home, Products, About Us, and Contact. By focusing on this primary menu structure, you ensure that the most visited and essential parts of your store are operating smoothly and efficiently. Once you're in the main menu, you'll see a list of existing menu items. Locate and click on Home or whatever menu items links you're looking to fix. Diving into a specific item, like Home, allows you to focus on the entry points of your website. Your homepage is often the first impression your store makes, so ensuring that its links function appropriately is vital. After selecting Home, click on Link. Here you can edit the URL or path that your menu item points to. This is the most crucial part of fixing your links. If a link is broken, it means this URL is incorrect, leading customers to non-existent pages or error messages. Carefully input the correct URL or link to ensure it leads to the desired page on your store. By following these steps, you've just learned how to repair broken links within Shopify's navigation systems. This process ensures that every pathway a potential customer might take is functioning properly, thereby improving their shopping experience and, consequently, your overall business performance. Remember, regular maintenance and checks of your links can prevent future breakdowns and keep your store's navigation seamless and user-friendly.